Lecture 54, Magnetic Circuits, Electrical versus Magnetic Analogy. So this lecture is structured in a comparative way. In the left side we will talk about electrical circuit, and in the right side we will talk about magnetic circuits. This is an electrical circuit and this is a magnetic circuit. Let's start with the core concept. So here the basic is that there is a flow of current through a closed conducting path, and here there is a flow of flux through a closed conducting magnetic path, that is a core. The second concept is of driving force. Here driving force is EMF or voltage which can be supplied by a source, that is a battery, and here the driving force is MMF, that is current flowing through a particular coil. Suppose current I is flowing through this coil and the number of turns are N, then the MMF will be simply equal to N into I. The third is flow quantity. So entity which is actually flowing is current, whose units are ampere. In magnetic circuit, the quantity which is actually flowing is flux, whose units are Weber. The fourth concept is that of opposition. So to the flow of current, the opposition is offered by the entity, that is resistance. Here the opposition to the flow of flux is provided by an entity, that is reluctance. The fifth part is governing law. So in electrical circuit, the law which governs current and voltage is Ohm's law, that is I is equal to V by R. Here the governing law is, that is flux is simply equal to MMF, that is Ni divided by reluctance. The sixth part is the expression of the opposition, that is resistance. So the expression is simply R is equal to rho L by A. Here the expression of the reluctance is L by mu into A. Here rho is the property of the material, that is resistivity which opposes current. Here mu is the property of the magnetic material, that is permeability which supports the flux. So the eighth part is the ease of flow. So lower the resistance, higher will be the current flow, and here the ease of flow is determined by higher permeability. So higher the permeability, higher the flux. And the series combination of resistance is simply R1 plus R2, and similarly series combination of reluctance will be reluctance equivalent equal to reluctance 1 plus reluctance 2. Parallel concept. Here in electrical circuit, the current divides parallelly into two parts, that is I1 plus I2. Here the magnetic flux divides into two parts, that is phi 1 plus phi 2 in the parallel path. And the last part is the energy dissipated, that is in case of electrical circuit it is I square R, and in case of magnetic circuit is equal to half into L into I square, where I is the current flowing through the coil and L is the self inductance of the coil.